Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Yarn on REDHAT 8.5. The Yarn package manager is an advanced package management tool for Node.js application, offering a fast, secure and reliable alternative to other Node.js package manager options. First we can check the installed version of OS using cat command. This is REDHAT 8.5. Add the Yarn repository to system repository by using curl command. Now I am going to install Yarn by using dnf command. Enter Y to continue. Again enter Y. The installation is completed. Once the Yarn installation is completed, then we need to install the Yarn packages by using curl command. The installation of Yarn is completed. Now I am going to check the Yarn version. The installed version of Yarn is 1.22.9. By this, the installation of Yarn in REDHAT 8.5 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.